Hello friends, today we will continue our video series in which we discuss with you about how to model the objects in our daily lives with a gamepad from Super Nintendo Entertainment System products. Let's model this entertainment product which is very popular in the 1980s, which can be considered the ancestor of today's handheld game consoles. If you are ready, let's start this fun series where we learn surface modeling techniques. We will get the reference images from the Dimensions.com website. We will take screenshots and edit them in Rhino. There are two ways you can do this. The first is by pressing the F12 key and opening the source codes of the site. When we press the icon with the arrow icon with the Select an Element for Inspect feature, we can click where the image is located and when we enlarge the page. We can access the area where this image is located and download the image by clicking on it. The second is to capture the screen with a screen capture tool in a simpler way and then use it in Rhino. As always, after setting the unit and grid structure of our workspace, the first thing we need to do is to scale our image to the approximate actual dimensions of our product, with the scale command at the appropriate scale according to our reference image. Because if we do not do this, we will not have a drawing close to the actual production dimensions of our product. After downloading our reference image, let's put it on our stage with the picture frame command with the 1:2 option and scale it with an appropriate scale command. Let's not forget to set auxiliary reference lines and points for this, and then we can start our reference drawings. After scaling, we need to build the relationship between our reference images. In other words, overlapping different views will help our modeling. Thus, we can create our model properly by checking how the object looks from different angles. Then, using basic drawing tools, we make a drawing to determine the general form and the location of the details as if we were making a technical drawing. At this stage, we can also say that we are making a 2D top view drawing before moving to the third dimension. After bringing the top view plan to the desired size with scale commands, let's adjust it to the desired dimensions by applying the same technique for the front and side views. As a result of these operations, you can now match different views with each other using the perspective screen. As I mentioned before, this will provide us with ease of modeling. It has nothing to do with the subject, but maybe you have noticed if you are wondering how I use reference images. I use the reference images which I find on the internet within the PureRef application. This makes it easier for me to look at my reference images within the modeling environment while modeling. Therefore, within the help of this app, I will look at my reference photos while I'm modeling. After setting the reference images, we can move on to the modeling phase. See you in part 2.